Sanibona bafethu uvane so imatch elandela iOrlando Pirates iyodlala against AmaZulu FC. So kuzobe kuyimatch ebaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates because they need u3 points. Bawudinga ngempela u3 points ukuthi bahlale esiqongweni babe unumber 1. Remember iOrlando Pirates ine game in hand. Leyo game in hand izoyisebenzisa kakhulu ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bahlale on top of ileague and basimente indawo yabo lapha phezulu. So Abdeslam akumele ashaya ama mistakes mezodlala ama games akanje anjengoMaZulu because AmaZulu enza kahle kakhulu so far kwisizini. Bawu number 4 and mase bewine against Orlando Pirates bazoba unumber 1 babe na 33 points. Orlando Pirates ibahlula ngama point amangaki ibahlula ngama point amabili nje kuphela. So le game le izobe imnandi indlela eyisimanga. So nayi ke mina i-lineup prediction engingayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba kodwa ke nawe ungangitshela ama comments uthi thini i-lineup yakho. Ungitshele nje ungayigxeke yami but ke ungitshela ukuthi eyakho wena i-lineup ungayi-lineup kanjani. Nayi ke i-lineup kaVane Sports ngitshele yakho ungayigxeki. Ngiyalwazi ukuthi abafethu ngizoqala nje ngoSipho Chain, number 1 goalkeeper okhona la ku Betway Premiership, goalkeeper owenza kahle kakhulu. He is one of those goalkeepers. Uma usubheke uLiena, masubheke uPeterson, masubheke uLumjida lo uSipho Chain. Bona goalkeeper ke labo benza kahle kakhulu kule season so far ku Betway Premiership. But ke uSipho Chain uhamba phambili with ama clean sheets akhe because unama games angakawadlali. But udlala ama games amancane with more clean sheets. That tells you ukuthi uMjida wenza kahle kakhulu ku Betway Premiership so far. So I would start uSipho Chain kule game le against AmaZulu. I expect a lot from uSipho Chain ukuthi akwazi ukuthi akhulume ne defense yakhe. Kuningi okushintshile ku defense yoLorlando Pirates, ukuhamba kwaMbokazi, ukuhamba kwaNda. So izinto eziningi kumele akwazi ukuthi aqoqe lama defenders lawa akhona asele. I know uSibisi uyakwazi uMjida ukuthi akwazi ukuyicontrol i-defense but ke naye uSipho Chain unomsebenzi omkhulu ukuthi akwazi ukuthi akhulume nama defenders akhe engenzi ama mistakes kuma set pieces. Izinto ezikanjalo ngempela siyakwazi ukuthi siscost. So I expect a lot from uSipho Chain akwazi ukucommanda i-defense yakhe enje. Mase ukuthi ke kwi center back pairing yami ke bafethu kuzoba uSibisi beke nobani benoSiyema. We saw them last game, we saw them kuma games adlula. Abajida so far it looks like iyona new way of Orlando Pirates, le iyona ndlela esodlala ngayo le but ke singesazi there is a new defender kuMphotsha Batsane osazo introducewa kule squad seOrlando Pirates but ke so far so good. I saw a very good performance from uSibisi and uSiyema last game against iMagesi FC. Yabo they played very good. Labajida both ba understandana indlela abadlala ngakhona and they managed to get a clean sheet okuyinto ebaluleke kakhulu uma udlala a home game. So they managed to get a clean sheet for uSipho Chain and bakwazi ukuthi badlale kahle kakhulu. I like to thank umuntu wascouta lo Mjida lo uLebona Siyema. I like to thank umuntu wa scouter uLebona Siyema. This guy for me he's more of an offensive defender. Angazi ngayibeka kanjani but ukudlala kwakhe akadlalisa kwe defender. Yabo udlalisa kwe wing back indlela adlala ngakhona because uyakwazi ukuthi aye forward add ama numbers phezulu. Yabo izinto ezikanjalo bese izinto ezidinga ukubadlali bakho. It shows ukuthi uMjida uyimisela ngempela ukuthi enze Orlando Pirates iwin. Yabo I'm very proud to see a player like uLebona Siyema playing for ibadge kanje. Yabo indlela adlala ngayo angadlali kakhulu phela uzogcina sethungile ama team apheshe asifuna ukumbona naye ehamba kusase eli kakhulu. Yabo ama-fans ayakhala ukuthi uMjida indlela sedlala ngakhona ama-fans kumele akhale mfethu sihambele umbokazi mfethu but ke akusenani abajida so far badlala kahle. Iyona center back pairing yami mina le ngaqalisa ngayo. Mase kuthi kuma wing backs I saw Van Rooyen last game. I feel like Van Rooyen ever since he was injured la injury le akaze abuye abe right kuyona le injury le iyamlimita kakhulu uMjida. Yabo so for me I think I'll start uSibelebele as a right wing back. I don't see uSibelebele as a right winger but I see him as a right wing back and many people don't like me to say that but for me I think uMjida he plays well uma a right wing back because remember Orlando Pirates so far asinayo i right winger. Yabo iqiniso nje lelimsulo asinayo i-right winger kwi-Orlando Pirates. So nje wasingenayo nje i-right winger we need a player like uSibelebele who will help a player that will play clear ndawo le because I know sometimes we play uMoremi, sometimes we play Asona Police, they don't play that position. So having a player like uSibelebele who can drift from right wing back position akwazi at ama numbers phezulu singakwazi sinqobe igame kanjalo. Yabo because uMjida uzoba up and down asize lo mdlalo odlala ngala ongasiyona i-right winger akwazi ukuthi add ama numbers lapha eboxini ucreate ama bhola kushawe inqako. Simple as that. So I'll play him as a right wing back. Mase kuthi uNdaba la ka left. I really like uNdaba bafethu. I really like uNdaba. One of the signings esiwenzile so far apromisayo. one of the signings so far asebenza ngempela. Yabo lo mjida lo uyasebenza ngempela, uyayikhandla indlela adlala ngakhona. Uyazi ukuthi akekho umuntu ozofika amnikeze iposition ehleli phansi engawenzi umsebenzi. Uyakhombisa ngempela ukuthi kumele aperforme kahle ukuze azothola ukukhethwa ucoach. Ngiyayithanda into ayenza umjida. He is very hard working, this boy. He is very hard working, so I would play him as a left wing back. So iyona back four na ke le ngaqala ngayo against AmaZulu FC. I know AmaZulu FC, they are playing very good, but I trust these boys to keep a clean sheet against AmaZulu. I know kuzoba nzima, but keeping a clean sheet away must be a number one priority for Orlando Pirates. Kule game lisayidinga iCDM. Last game besingayidinga iCDM. Ngokwami mina kule game ade sidlala against iMagesi besingayidinga i-defensive midfielder because vele ithi madedlala na defensive kakhulu. So kule game lesiyodlala nayo. So udlala namaZulu right now. AmaZulu ane talent elikhulu kakhulu. AmaZulu adlala ngempela. So nje bedlala ngempela nje badlala banje ngobungani izungu lapha esiswini. Abalazi ibhola, aba defensive, abajida bakwazi ucommander isisu. So you need a player like uMakhehleni Makhawula ozobeka unyawo lakhe lapha asho ukuthi nami ngikhona nezimnyama. Yabo ngizoyisiza ezimnyama zikwazi ukudefenda, sikwazi ukuthi siye phambili sizothatha u3 points kumaZulu. So a player like uMakhehleni Makhawula is a must ku game ebaleka nje. So yena umjida ngamdlalisa as number 6. Mase kuthi abadlali abazodlala phambili kwakhe. Mase ukuthi phambi kwakhe ngadlalisa abanina ngingasadlalisa uMasindi Namtajela, mase ngidlalisa abanina idlalisa uRelebohile Mfokeng. Yabo one thing about uMasindi Namtajela into engiyithanda ngayo, his work ethic. Uyakwazi umjida ukudlala. Yabo uyakwazi ukudlala offensively, simnandi kakhulu mesinomdlalo njengoMasindi Namtajela because umjida uyakwazi ukuthi asize Orlando Pirates ibe creative going forward. But one of my critics against yena umjida, yabo his defensive work, kumele asebenzise i-defensive work yakhe. Once waba mnandi kakhulu ekudefending uzoba i-box to box entswempo kakhulu ku Orlando Pirates. So far we have a player like uTalente Mbatha umnandi kakhulu, yabo, but uTalente Mbatha uleka wini na uleka Messiah forward. Yabo Messiah forward uMbatha unokuleka lapho, but when you compare him to Masindi Namtajela umnandi Messiah phambili, kodwa defensively yabo akunikeza into oyidingayo. So abajida bawu2 bantswembu ngendlela zabo. Wena ke ungangitshela ukuthi uprefer between them, but kule game for me I think uMasindi Namtajela he is very good. Akwazi asinikeze something. Yabo we saw him coming on against iMagesi FC. You saw game ithe ukushintsha kancane, yabo. So as number 10 angifuna ukukhuluma kakhulu ngo-number 10 guys. You know how I feel about uRelebohile Mfokeng playing as number 10. The boy must start games as number 10. Going forward we must play him as number 10. Yabo nothing changed. For me umjida mela adlale la. Masokuthi ke ama-wingers right winger yami bafethu Osuna Police, as I said, Osuna Police uzosizana nobani na, uzosizana nobani nolomjida lo uSibelebele uzokwazi uya forward at ama numbers akwazi isize team idlale icindezele kakhulu lapha, icindezele i-defense yamaZulu. Masokuthi ke i-left winger obviously guys, obviously kumele siqalise uMorem. Yabo kumele nje aqale uMorem kule game le, kumele siuthole u3 points. Masokuthi forward another player bafethu osebenza ngempela, umdlali ongalindi ukuthi akhethwe nje just to play, umdlali ophakamisa isandla menikeza ithuba ashaya inqaku. Ngiyamthanda kuYanela Mputhuma. For me ngingamqalisa against AmaZulu. Wajwayeleka AmaZulu because bedlala nawo isikhathi esiningi nje bebedlala eKZN with iRichards Bay FC. So umjida ngamqalisa lapha phezulu as number 9 weOrlando Pirates. Iyona ke lineup mina le engayikhetha mase ngithola ithuba. Nawungangitshela yakho ukuthi thini